Hi guys, it is Vlogmas day number 25. So for day 25, I don't have any square to make. I just need to start laying out all the squares and start stitching them together. But having said that, I do have so much yarn left. I have this basket which is full of yarn, which I can actually might make about 6 more squares. So before I rush into working and stitching up everything together, I'm going to wear through the stash and try to see how much squares I can come up with. In addition to, let me show you all my finished squares. These are all of my finished squares that I have to do day by day. There are 24 squares. So before I start seeing the placement and stitching them together, I will just do a little bit of more squares and I'll show you what I come up with.